Welcome back, guys. What's up? We're here with NiaWigs today. It's my first time trying out NiaWigs. I'm very excited. I really love their packaging. It gave me this very elegant and like chic vibe. You know, I really love the black and the gold concept. And that's how I pull that out. So pull it out. And then I see a ton of headbands. Okay, so here's the tea, guys, on the whole headband wig wave. So as you know, headband wigs are trending right now, but also you must know that there's a shortage in lace. So you know, with the whole pandemic and everything, there's been a shortage. They've become very creative with headband wigs, and I must say there's a lot of times when a lot of females want to look cute, but they don't necessarily know how to install their wigs on their own, being a lace wig or whatever, and sometimes they want to throw on and go and still look cute. Headband wigs have really changed up the game to do something like that. So yeah, so I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 headbands, and this is all like that kerchief, that bandana. So I really love these. Really, I have so much headbands. Like, I'm so appreciative. So I got just headbands in this package, and the wig itself has a little bit of information down here. This is, as I said before, headband wig, and it's 18 inches long. It's a natural black color, and this is some curly hair. I'm excited because honestly, I've been rocking one specific headband wig for weeks now. So I'm happy to change it up. Oh my gosh, just widen my collection and be like, yeah, you know. These curls are luscious, by the way. So luscious. Look at, oh my gosh, yes, the camera is picking it up. It's so nice, it's silky, it's soft. I love that. The construction, as you know, it comes like this with this band portion. And you know, you can open it and close it back, and on the inside, what keeps it secure, it has 3 combs that you stick inside your cornrow or your braids, and that helps to keep it on your head. It also has adjustable straps in the back, so you can go ahead and tighten this if you wish to do so. As you can see, I'm tightening mine a bit, but not all the way. And you literally go ahead and proceed to putting this on your head, and you apply your headbands. Some people bring it up closer. It depends how much of your edges you want out. You don't have to pull it as far back as I do. It all depends. And oh God, this hair feels so good. I don't even want to wet it up. It feels so good. And these videos are like more to the point. Like, this whole installation is like so much, like so quick. And I said this before in my previous headband wig videos. Is so quick, to the point, and you know, short and sweet. I'm gonna actually go ahead and try on all these headbands, let you guys see what they all look like. Pause. As you can see, I did a half up, half down vibe with this one. This is so cute. This is so cute. Nah, this is cute. Like you have your own edges peeping out, making everything look so natural. I'm not gonna lie, wigs like this really have people coming up to me, people that don't usually really like entertain like wig wearing, like, oh my gosh, I'm actually going to try this because it's so easy to do and it's so natural looking at the same time, you know? Lie, this half up half down vibe with the headband wig is definitely giving me Selena Quintanilla vibe. Okay, I look at it and it's just giving me like NiaWigs. This, oh my, the curls are gorgeous. I see this, oh my god, let me finish my word. The curls are gorgeous. I'm just so excited about these. Like, I'm so excited about this. Like, do you even understand? You don't have to necessarily wear your headband wig down all the time. You can actually style your headband wig and just conceal. Like, it's just like, guys, I'm gonna put all the information to this wig down below. Remember, the headbands come with the wig, and that's just a flex. Like, you get 4 headbands with the wig, different colors. I love the print. It's very cute and it's very trendy. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Like, I'm on a whole headband wig wave right now. It's just so easy, you know? And I'm always going to find easier and more convenient ways to do things and like show you guys, you know? It's only right. So, and I see the feedback, I see the comments, and I know you guys are really been feeling these wigs, it becoming one of my go-to. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Go and stay tuned and go and make up on